Welcome to the Clean Loop from Clean Titans. Here are the three major clean tech breakthroughs, regulations, and deployment milestones you need to know for Monday, August 24th. First, global battery deployment has hit a major milestone. Utility-scale batteries are now 34% of all new daytime solar power directly into evening peak hours. That is up from just 4% 5 years ago, proving that grid battery storage is actively solving renewable intermittency and flattening the energy demand curve in real time. Second, the UK officially launched its £28 million Ultra LDS Challenge, funding advanced technologies capable of supplying continuous clean that provides over 4 full days of continuous backup power, specifically engineered to eliminate fossil fuel peaker plants during multi-day weather lulls. Third, heavy-duty zero-emission transport is accelerating. Fleets and regulators are pressing for urgent grid upgrades to support multi-megawatt depot charging hubs for commercial freight. As electric trucks scale along highway corridors, streamlining high-voltage substation interconnections has become the top priority for utilities and logistics operators alike. That is your Clean Loop for today. Subscribe to Clean Titans on YouTube and follow our podcast for daily zero-emission intelligence. I'm Sayed Ali. See you tomorrow.